Afternoon, guys. Just down here at this open swale drain, not far from home. Had a good amount of rain today, as I mentioned earlier, as I was walking down towards here. Just wanted to show you guys the old school trash rack. You can see here, gross pollutant trap. Basically, we've got all the stormwater going through the trash rack. It's doing a good job. You can see there's some debris caught on the top part of the screen there. I'm sure the bottom parts of the screen have got a lot of debris on it. The rain event's been going for probably 6 or 7 hours on and off, so most of the first flush and the early pollutants have probably gone downstream. There was a little bit of stuff on the bank as we walked down from where the water level was higher previously when the rain was more intense, but it's, yeah. Just wanted to show you this. There's a bit of a idea of how the old school trash racks used to work. Obviously at Ocean Protect we've got heaps of new improved style treatment devices that do a great job of removing pollutants from stormwater. And one thing you can see too, there's a little sign here. It's probably a little bit undersized, I would think, trying to explain what a squid is or a trash rack is. My opinion is that it would be much better if that was a much bigger sign and much more publicised, so the public would know what these things are and what the job they are doing.